Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take your social science book. All of you take your social science book and social science class work, homework, pencil, eraser, everything. Take children, take fast. Take fast. Have you taken children? Have you taken? Yes, so the revision is going on. Yes or no children? From the last classes also, we learnt some of the topics from this first lesson. So in social science, our first lesson name is our earth. Yes or no children? So already in the previous classes also, we have learnt some of the topics from this lesson. Yes or no? So have you understood that? Have you understood children? Yes, so today also we are going to recall about some of the topics from this lesson. Okay. So all of you have to listen very carefully. Okay children. So all of you take your social science book. Take book page number 147. Take fast. Take children. So have you taken children? So already in the previous classes we recall some of the topics children. So what are they? Origin of earth, our solar family, and earth movements, rotation and revolution. So these all the topics already we learnt. Yes or no children? Have you understood that? Yes, so now today we are going to recall about the topic continents and oceans. Continents and oceans. Okay, so have you taken page number 147? Yes, so in this lesson, the full of dialogue. Yes or no children? The conversation between Enian and his father. Yes or no? So Enian asks some questions about the earth. Then father says the answer. Okay children? So like that, see children, page number 147. Enian asked the question to his father. Wow, amazing. Where do we live on the earth? So நீங்கள் சொல்றதெல்லாம் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்குது. So where do we live on the earth? So நம்ம எர்த்தில் நம்ம எங்கே வாழ்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு கேட்குறோம். Then father says we live on the surface of the earth. We live on the surface. Surface means மேற்பரப்பு. Okay, so நம்ம எர்த்தோட மேற்பரப்புல வாழ்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன். Okay, so it is made up of 7 continents and 5 oceans. So நம்மளோட எர்த் சர்ஃபேஸ் எப்படி இருக்குது? 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay, so continents means land mass. Okay, land பரப்பு, நிலப்பரப்பு. Okay, next 5 oceans, that all water bodies. So like that father says. Okay, then Enian asks the next question to his father. 7 continents, what are they? 7 continents are they? Okay, then father says, listen, they are, see children, 7 continents in the map. We can see 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay, so first, so father says 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. So can you see the picture children? Can you see the picture? Say all of you again once. 7 continents name: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Okay, so again all of you say 7 continents name: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay, so like that father says the 7 continents name. Okay children, so you also know, yes, you also know 7 continents name. Yes or no children? So have to study. Okay, study the spellings and write and see. Okay children, you have to study. Okay, it is very important. You know the 7 continents name with the spelling. Okay children, so have to study. Okay. Okay, next Enian asks the next question to his father. Which is the biggest continent? Which is the biggest continent? Then see the picture children. You can see the picture. Can you see? Can you say which is the biggest continent? See the slide and say which is the biggest continent. Yes, very good. Then father also says like that the Asia continent is the biggest continent. Asia continent is the biggest continent because that is the most area. Okay, so that is the biggest place. இருக்க continentsலே பிக்கா இருக்கக்கூடியது ஏசியா கான்டினென்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ ஏசியா கான்டினென்ட் இஸ் த பிக்கஸ்ட் கான்டினென்ட். ஓகே, So where we live? In the biggest of all. Okay, so in the Asia, we also live in the Asia continent only. Yes or no, children? So our India, our country India is there in the Asia continent only. Okay, so our continent is biggest continent. Okay, continent means Gandangal. Okay, then Australia is the smallest continent. So see the picture, children. Irukale chinnadu kutti continent avada chinna kandam. So Australia is the smallest continent. So biggest continent Asia, smallest continent Australia. Okay, children, have you understood clear? Okay, next, and also Antarctica. Can you see the blue color? Can you see, children? Sky blue color. That is Antarctica. That is Antarctica. So Antarctica, why that Antarctica given blue, sky blue color? Because that is full of snow covered landmass. Okay, so Antarctica is a snow covered landmass. So adellame paniyala orange paniyala avuna நிலப்பரப்பு. ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த நிலப்பரப்பில் என்ன இருக்கும்? ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்னோ, பனிக்கட்சி. ஓகே children, so Antarctica is a snow covered landmass. Okay children, so which is the biggest continent? Asia. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. Next, Antarctica is the snow covered landmass. Okay children, have you understood? Again all of you listen. Say the 7 continents name. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Again all of you. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay children, can you say 7 continents name? Yes. So now which is the biggest continent? Yes, Asia. Okay, which is the smallest continent? Australia. Okay, so which is the snow covered landmass continent? Antarctica. Okay, have you understood clearly children? Yes, very easy. Yes. Okay, so now we can understand, we can learn about 7 continents. Yes or no children? Yes. Then Enian asked the next question to his father, what are the 5 oceans daddy? So இப்போ கான்டினென்ட்ஸும் பற்றி கண்டங்களை பற்றி நம்ம படிச்சிட்டோம் அப்படி தானே. இப்போ என்ன எதை பற்றி படிக்க போகிறோம்? Oceans. Okay, so there are 5 oceans. Okay, how many oceans are there? 5 oceans are there. Okay, in the world. Okay children, so the father says Pacific Ocean. See the picture children. Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So how many oceans are there? 5 oceans. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. So say all of you again. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, say all of you. Say louder. Open your mouth. Say louder children. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay children, so again Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay children, so our land, our earth surface 71% of water. Okay, so our earth surface la 71% covered by water. Okay, other remaining 29 100 la 71% water. So our earth surface la 71% full of covered by water. Full of covered by water. Remaining 29 100 la 71 போச்சுனா remaining எத்தனை? 29. So remaining 29% only covered by land mass. Okay children, so because many areas there is water bodies. Yes or no? So 71% of water bodies, remaining 29% only covered by land mass. Okay children, okay, so adala about 96.5% of water is saline water, salt water. Okay, kadal thanni. Okay, next 2.5% only water. 2.5% water. So is fresh water nalla thanni appdi sollumla. So that fresh water 1% only. Okay children, so this only we can easily accessible. Okay children, okay, have you understood? Okay, have you understood children? So this is the lesson. So Inian says, thank you daddy, today I have learnt a lot about the earth from you. So now I am going to study and do my work. So like that Inian says to his father. Then father says, okay Mia, go and study. Poi padi appdi solrar. Okay, so this is the conversation between Inian and his father. So this is the lesson. Okay children, so have you understood? Have you understood about continents and 5 oceans? Have you understood 7 continents and 5 oceans children? No doubt, yes? Clearly, have you understood clear? Yes. So now all of you take your social classwork note. We are going to write some classworks, extra classworks. Okay children? So all of you take. So have you taken children? Have you taken social classwork? Yes. So now we are going to write some extra question answers. Okay children? So already I gave 5 question answers. Answer the following 5 question answers already I gave. Yes or no children? So lesson teach பண்ணும்போதே நான் small question answers 5 question answers கொடுத்துட்டேன். அப்படிதானே 2 more question answers கொடுத்தேன். அப்படிதானே? ஸோ இதெல்லாம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நான் கொடுக்க போகிறதெல்லாம் என்னது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 5 கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் ஐ வில் கிவ். ஓகே டுடே ஸோ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டடி தட் 5 கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் அண்ட் this 5 question answer also you have to study. Okay, so this also very important. Okay, you have to study, we have to know about this. Okay children, so that's why I gave. Okay, so I have to study. Okay children, so write today date and day in the classwork. You have to write today date and day, then start to write answer the following. ஸோ ஏற்கனவே நம்ம 5 கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் ஏற்கனவே எழுதியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா. ஸோ இது 6th கொஸ்டின் கூட நீ எழுதிக்கலாம். எல்லாம் 5 கொஸ்டின்ட்டே எழுது, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. we have to study. Okay children, it is very important for our exam. Okay, so have to study. The revision is we need to study. Okay, fully we need to study. Okay children, so our quarterly exam coming near us. Okay children, who have to study every day. Okay, so first question, how many oceans are there in the earth? 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 Then answer, next line you have to write the answer. Answer, there are 5 oceans in the earth. There are 5 oceans in the earth. There are 5 oceans in the earth. Okay children, did you write? Very easy. Yes, you can write easily children. Okay, then second question. Sorry, name the fine spelling mistake is there. Okay children, listen. Name the 5 oceans. Okay, that is fine abdinirukku, so that is wrong. Okay, spelling mistake is there. You have to write 5. Okay, name the 5 oceans. F-I-V-E. You have to change the spelling. Okay, F-I-V-E, 5. Name the 5 oceans. Name the 5 oceans. Write F-I-V-E, 5. Okay, name the 5 oceans. Okay, then answer, next line you have to write answer. 1 Pacific Ocean. You have to write one by one like this. Okay children, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Second, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. Okay children, did you write? Name the 5 oceans. Yes, say all of you read Pacific Ocean. Say all of you, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Okay children, can you read? Can you read children? Read all of you. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Okay children, so the 5 oceans are here. Okay, then third question. How many continents are there in the earth? How many continents are there in the earth? How many continents are there in the earth? Have you written? Then write the answer. Next line. There are 7 continents in the earth. There are 7 continents in the earth. There are 7 continents in the earth. How many continents are there in the earth? Answer. There are 7 continents in the earth. Okay children. Then leave one line and write fourth question. Name the 7 continents. Name the 7 continents. So have a 7 continents name. Okay children. Then next line we have to write the answer one by one. Put number 1. Asia. 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 Number 2. Africa. Africa. Third. Australia. 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 Then fourth. North America. North America. North America. Then fifth. South America. South America. Then sixth. Antarctica. Antarctica. Seventh. Europe. Europe. Okay children, did you write 7 continents name? Yes. So now all of you listen. We are going to read children. Name the 7 continents. Name the 7 continents. Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe. Again all of you listen. Say read. Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe. Again all of you read. Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe. Can you read children? Can you read all of you? Yes, very good. Then move the next question. Leave one line. Leave one line and write fifth question. What is the distance between the sun and the earth? What is the distance between the sun and the earth? What is the distance between the sun and the earth? What is the distance between the sun and the earth? Okay children, did you write? Yes. Then next line you have to write the answer. The distance is, distance means dooram. Okay, tolaivu. Okay. The distance is nearly 150 million kilometer. The distance is nearly 150 million kilometer between the sun and the earth. The distance is nearly 150 million kilometer between the sun and the earth. Okay children, did you write? Again all of you read. What is the distance between the sun and the earth? Say all of you, what is the distance between the sun and the earth? So answer, the distance is nearly 150 million kilometer between the sun and the earth. Again all of you read. What is the distance between the sun and the earth? Say children, the distance is nearly 150 million kilometer between the sun and the earth. Okay, so 5 question answers also very easy, have to study. Okay children, it is very important. Okay, any 2 or 3 question answers I will ask in the exam. Okay children, so have to study. Okay children, yes. So have you completed classwork? Yes. So now all of you take your social homework notes. Okay children, have you taken social homework notes? So write today homework, 5 question answers and only 1 question, 5 fill-ups and 1 question answer. Okay children, today homework. So write fill-ups. First of all, write today date and day, then write fill-ups. First question, dash ocean is the largest ocean? Dash ocean is the largest ocean. Dash ocean is the largest ocean. Okay, then leave one line. Second, dash ocean is the smallest ocean. So largest ocean, Pacific Ocean. So okay children, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Okay. Then Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay. So you have to write that. Now itself you have to write children, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Pacific. P-A-C-I-F-I. Pacific. P-A-C-I-F-I. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Then Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay. So 5 oceans la Pacific Ocean na periya கடல். ஓகே, ஆர்டிக் ஓசியன் தான் சின்ன கடல். சரியா? ஓகே, ஸோ பசிபிக் ஓசியன் இஸ் த லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஓசியன். தென் ஆர்டிக் ஓசியன் இஸ் த ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் ஓசியன். ஆர்டிக், ARCTI, ஆர்டிக், ARCTI, ஆர்டிக் ஓசியன் இஸ் த ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் ஓசியன். ஓகே, தென் third way, you know, yes, I said already. Yes or no children? Dash is the biggest continent. Dash is the biggest continent. Then leave one line and write fourth one. Dash is the smallest continent. Dash is the smallest continent. Dash is the biggest continent. Dash is the smallest continent. Okay, then fifth, there are dash continents in the earth. How many continents are there children? Yes, 7. Yes, so there are dash continents in the earth. Right. Okay children, so this 5 fill-ups you need to study. Okay, study and write the answers in your homework notes. Okay, study the spelling children. Yes, then only 1 question answers. Answer the question. Today you need to study this 1 question, and in the classwork note also I gave 5 question answers. Yes or no children? So that also very easy only, you can study easily. Okay, so that also study. Okay children, so first go 1 question, explain about the continents. Explain about the continents. So continents patti explain pananum. Okay children, so already in the classwork note I gave this answer, this question answer. Yes or no children? Did I give? Yes. So have see that and study clearly. After that write the answers in your homework notes. Okay, so today all of you study must. Okay children, study your classwork note and homework notes also. Okay children, study and write the answers in your homework note. Don't copy children. Every day you should study. Okay, then only you will get 100 marks in the quarterly, the examination. Okay children, so every day you should study. Okay, very easy to study. Okay, did I gave very easy? Yes, so this all you know already. So no children, so every day you should study, then only you can get more marks in the exam. Okay children, so do you study children? Do you study? Yes, all are very good children. Yes, so have to study. Okay children, and also when you come to school you have to study and write and see. Okay, that note also you have to bring, and classwork, homework, everything you should write neatly. Don't write very bad ugly handwriting. Okay children, your handwriting should be very neat. You have to write neatly, write the correct answer. Don't write any one answer. Study and write the answer. Okay children, and also I gave the project in this lesson. Yes or no? So have to do it that also. Okay, so when you come to school you have to bring the project, classwork, homework, and study and write one note. That also have rough note. That also have to bring. Okay, children. So the first lesson we have completed. Today you have to study this all. Then we have completed the first lesson. Okay. Then tomorrow we will next class we will start the new lesson revision. Okay, children. So every day you should study. Okay. So okay. Then we will see our next day class. Have a nice day.